Everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna teach you about astronomical zodiac sign. So basically there are 12 astronomical zodiac signs and they are very useful in our day-to-day life. So basically अगर हम बहुत ज़्यादा परेशान हैं, so sometimes we check our राशि कि हमारी राशि क्या है. So that राशि is only called zodiac sign, okay? And now how would you get to know कि आपकी zodiac sign क्या है? So you basically you can get through your kundli. So if you have kundli, you will get to know कि आपकी zodiac sign क्या है. Now when you get deep dive about the astronomical sign related to like which zodiac you belongs to, you get to reveal so many things like there are elements based on it, and that defines your personality and everything around it. Like there's the element called fire, then water, air, and earth, and these elements are divided, and through that zodiac signs are also divided under that. Okay, so today we're going to talk about the fire signs. So fire signs are basically the Aries, the Leo, and Sagittarius. Now I'll tell you must be thinking कि इनका क्या role है, right? हमारे cards से. So we can reveal the day and the thought, the feelings that are going into your loved ones, which are Leo, which are Sagittarius, or which are Aries. So yes, we can really get to know a lot of things through tarot cards. Okay, now if we discuss about what is a Aries personality. So Aries has that bold personality. That leadership is there. They're literally born to be leaders, okay? And they like to take risk, and then they jump into new challenges and all, okay? It is indicated that Aries is always a symbol of Ram, whereas when we talk about the Leo, of course we all know Leo are the lions, and when I say lion, it means they are confident, and Leos are the ones who are so loyal in love, like so loyal, and they are so warm-hearted, they are so generous. Like if you ask something about them, they would rather by telling about themselves, they would want to know what you really feel about yourself. So this kind of generous Leo has, and then comes Sagittarius. Sagittarius is a symbol of Archer, which is adventurous, spontaneous, philosophical. आपको ज्ञान बहुत देंगे, मतलब खुद imply करे या ना करे, but yeah, they are very philosophical. Also they are freedom loving, like they want their freedom at any cost. You cannot just keep them into a cage and treat them however you want. Like they just want that I can do whatever I want and you don't have to put any restrictions on me. So this was all about the fire signs, and I will let you know about the water sign, then earth sign, and all of the elements that are present in astronomical signs. So wait for part 2, and also I would be start the reading in a week or two, where we will get to know like about your partner's feelings and about your career, about your finances, and I would also recommend a book to you guys which I have been reading and it was really grateful. So this is the book, that is The Magic, and trust me, it is 1-on-1, I mean 10-on-10, so it's good to go. You should really read this book. Bye bye, thank you. Like and subscribe if you want.